Alright, okay, so time to build the squig and possibly the grot. I'm going to start off with the squig anyway. Who doesn't love a good squig? I've taken away most of the sort of spare parts at this point, so it should be an easier build. I should be looking for fewer things. Okay, quite a few pieces to go on this. So you're starting with like 125, 126 and 127. So head over to my left sprue first, and I've got 125. And I do love a good squig. So 125, I think 126. I need to move across somewhere, I think. Let me find it. 126 over to the right, the main body part, by the look of it. And then what looks like 127, it's a very small part that, let me find it. Kind of like a little claw. It's probably going to be one of those little panes, hard to find. There it is. Back on the left, that little one there. Okay, let's get these tidied up and put together. It was hard to get to on that tail there, so I'll just tidy that up a bit more. Oh, the fun of tiny little pieces. Always dropping them. Okay, so these kind of do need to get slotted together. Let me do a dry fit on these because they seem a bit odd on their positioning. So yeah, you got the back of it kind of plugging together, and then the claws sliding in here by the look of it. Little front leg claw, that's fine. can't wait until I start getting some squigs on Stormbringer. I love squigs. I think there's like a single unit of squigs or something for the Gleam Spire Git side. Okay, there we go. So back part of the squig and the main body, and then we need 128 for its mouth. It's such a typically ridiculous Orky Beast squig, isn't it? I mean, it's like it's just a mouth on legs. You know, I mean, there's nothing else to say about it, but I have absolutely adored these things since I first came across them. Okay, again, just do a quick dry fit, make sure that it connects. Okay, now the front of its jaw, 129. Where are you, 129? There it is. I wonder if they have to train these things to actually charge at an enemy, or I wonder if it's like that typical Orky thing where it simply knows how to behave. Interesting fit, this part actually. I just got to look carefully how it goes together. So it's got them in the front like that, kind of. Yeah, I mean, you wonder if the runt herders have to specially train it, or if it simply knows to charge. Well, I mean, I know it knows how to charge at the enemy, I suppose. It's a squig. And I can only assume that they... just kind of pack it with explosives and then just remote detonate it when they need to. I feel that's very cruel. I feel I should start a campaign to protect the bomb squigs. It just feels the right thing to do. Okay, over here for 130. You know, like, end cruelty to squigs. Squigs should be allowed to roam free. They should not be have bombs strapped to them and be charged at the enemy. You know, like that. Step myself up a little campaign. Right. Okay, then this one's kind of locking underneath it, like so. Again, get the positioning just about right there. To get that in the right position as well. It feels quite like I know where this goes, but it just doesn't feel like quite right when you put it in. There we go. Seems to be best if you just twist it slightly as you slot it in. 131 and 132 now. Little bits of dynamite. Good for blowing up Captain Titus, these things, aren't they? Essential part, actually, of you know, it's the importance of blowing up Space Marines with these things. Right, let's have a look where this goes on. So it feels like it's kind of like, just trying to get its positioning right. It feels very odd, this one. It's kind of there, so that it kind of, what you need to do is you need to make sure that it slides in. So it's going to go, the top part is going to kind of slide into that hole there. Okay. Yep. So that, oh, come on, go in. Yeah. So basically that is sliding in there. That little point needs to get in that hole there as well. And then the other part is sliding underneath the model. And then we need to get the other side. Let's see, 132. There we go. Pop onto this side. Now let's have a look. So this is like some, almost like some firecrackers running out of the things. Here we go. I think, yeah, goes there on the other side of this TNT by the look of it. It's just trying to work out which way round it goes. So it definitely goes in there. Definitely goes in there. I'm just trying to work out exactly where it clicks. So I'm just looking. It feels like the actual see, the fuses are pointing upwards. Connection feels very strange on this lighting. When you look at it, the fuses feel like they're kind of in this position. I've got the positioning right, it's just is in the direction correct. I just can't seem to see it looks like the fuses are upright when you look at it any other way, but then when you try and fit them, they only feel like it fits upside down. Such a strange positioning. So by the feel of it, if I'm very careful, it goes like that. So it's at a bit of a funny angle, if you can see. So let me get that angle right again. Just trying to get that angle perfect. It's so strange. Feels so odd when you put it on, because you want it kind of slightly pointing outwards. Feels like the idea that it snapped the actual cable there and they're all flying out. There we go then. That's I better glue this guy to his base now, actually, because it's got a bit of a bit of balance. All right, there we go. Squig, bomb squig. Absolutely excellent. I love these things. Okay, there we go then. So that's the bomb squig created. I have just one more of the orcs to go, and that is the Kommando grot. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.